Hey, how's everyone doing today? Just want to bring you a video about an issue that Honda and Acura has been having for quite some time now. And I know you guys are aware of this if you've seen any Honda or Acura vehicles driving on the road. I know you've seen some with this problem. Seems like a major thing. I see them almost every single day. And now it's kind of going forward. So I want to share some new details on it and see what you guys think. So you ever driven around and you've probably paid attention to maybe some Honda and Acuras driving around? I'm sure you've seen some that have paint issues. And I mean paint where it's peeling off the car in big batches, not like a tiny little spot, but we're talking maybe half the hood or the roof. I see them almost daily. And there's a common thing with all that. They're always the white. And they're not just Hondas, there's some Acuras too, like the MDX. So what I want to talk about in this video is how this is actually moving forward. Before it was people complaining about it, and then Honda really wouldn't do anything with it. They said it was because you didn't take care of it, wax it or whatever, or tree sap or, but it was coming off in big sheets. There have been so many videos where, like I said, it's not just one little part, it's big sheets of paint just falling off. Like it wasn't primed right or whatever the process was, but it's always in the white color. If you drive around, you might see an Odyssey, a Pilot, and I will bet you if it's white, within 3 white vehicles that fall in this category, you'll see one with peeling paint. It's that common. And it probably looks like something like this that you see here. These are different vehicles, but you can see like the hood will start coming off, where you can see the primer, all that kind of stuff. Well, it just came out that Honda is now being sued over their white paint that allegedly peels off from the cars. Now, the lawsuit is for Honda and Acuras. It's the white diamond pearl, the taffeta white, the white orchid pearl, and Bella Nova white. Those are the ones that they're being sued over. And it brings out that most of the vehicles that were affected were manufactured at a facility in Alabama. And so here's the vehicles that it'll affect that they're being sued for. So if you have one of these, you might want to pay attention to it. So if you have a 2013 to present Honda Odyssey, Honda Pilot, Fit, HR-V, or an Acura MDX in one of these shades of white, and you're having paint issues where the paint's peeling off, you could join a class action lawsuit claiming that the paint finish has a defect. And this lawsuit includes defects such as peeling, bubbling, flaking, or delamination, where it just completely comes off in big chunks like you see. And I guess the big thing here is they're saying Honda knew about the problems with this paint because they even issued 3 technical service bulletins and warranty extensions for the Acura MDX that was painted in white diamond pearl, and also the 2013 Honda Odysseys and 2014 to 2015 Honda Pilots painted into Feta white pearl, and the 2015 to 2017 Honda Fits and 2016 to 2018 Honda HR-Vs finished in white orchid pearl and Bella Nova white pearl. So you can see it covers a lot of different vehicles. So if you guys have had one or currently have one or know somebody that has one of these white Hondas or Acuras and it's all peeling off, you could definitely be in line to get some compensation. Like if you paid to have it repainted, or can get it repainted and covered by Honda. And then I know some people think, oh, nothing will come out of this, but this isn't the first time that Honda's been in trouble with paint issues. In 2018, they had a very similar situation in Canada over peeling paint, and they actually settled for $27 million in 2022. And so owners were compensated for that as well. So definitely something can happen. And like I said, it's so often that I see these white cars, and it's not like a little thing where you can just put touch-up paint on it. It's like sheets that are falling off. And you're talking cars, sometimes they're only 6-7 years old, and big chunks of white paint just fall right off of it. So it's not something you expect. Like I said, and for some reason, it's the white paint. I've seen 20-year-old Hondas, any other color than white, that look great. with original paint jobs on it. So it's definitely an issue, and this seems to be moving forward. So I'll definitely keep you guys in the loop if something new comes out of this. But for right now, I just wanted to keep you informed. Like I said, if you have one and it's frustrating, you just drive it like that. Something could definitely be in the future to help you guys out. You know, it is frustrating. It's not a few cases. I see them almost daily. I see it, and it always makes me think, what went wrong with the white paint? And for that reason, I will not own a white car from Honda or Acura. I just won't. There's been times where that was the color on the lot and they wanted to work a deal with it, and I still didn't get it because I'm nervous about that kind of stuff. So again, I'm going to keep you guys informed. I'll let you know in the future if I hear anything. Let me know in the comment section if you had any issues with your white paint, be it an older Honda Acura or maybe even a newer one. I'd like to hear about it. I appreciate you guys as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.